right now. This is the motherboard we're gonna build. That's the piece. These are the pieces you'll need. Get a 1x4 here, or just 4x4. 1x3. Two handles, which does like this, and they also kind of do that. 1x4 clip. The back one here is for the tail. If you put it down there, it won't stand on the ground. Then top it all off. Then get these pieces to stick on. Then get these wings. You can use any wings you want. In case it's not too long, get a piece like this. It's actually like that, but you gotta turn it upside down. If you got like a hole there, hole through it, so then you can stake this in. Then get a 1x2 brick. Actually, this is full black. Fully black. But I only have these pieces in dark blue. I mean, that also be in dark blue. So, put 1x2s in there. 1x2s. And a foot-like clip. There. I can break that one. This is how you build a motherboard, and looks like we are done. Done. Bye-bye.